Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Jazzcash and Google Wallet. You need an updated app and verified KYC so the link will authorize. Enter your CNIC and confirm the mobile number. This ensures identity matching between services. Once done, prepare to receive an OTP. Make sure mobile network is stable and do not switch SIMs. Next, enable device security like PIN or biometric because Google Wallet requires secure lock. This step prevents transaction denial and lets Jazzcash accept tokenization. You now perform the core action. In Jazzcash, tap Add to Google Wallet and follow prompts. The app requests tokenization, not raw card sharing, so this protects your data. Approve the permissions, enter the OTP Jazzcash sends, and verify any billing address details because mismatches block provisioning. Once you submit, Google Wallet will contact Jazzcash to provision a token. This typically completes in 30 to 60 seconds. If the process pauses, keep the apps foregrounded and do not force close them. You finish by confirming the Jazzcash token appears in Google Wallet, and if you want, set it as the default contactless payment method so transactions use it automatically. Then test with a small NFC tap or an online micro-purchase to ensure authorization flows correctly. If something goes wrong, first recheck KYC and billing information, make sure device time and network are accurate, then reinstall apps. If problems persist, contact Jazzcash support with the error code shown so they can trace token provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.